My love, she's but a lassie yet. This tune is from volume 2 of a series of books by James Aird called A Selection of Scotch, Irish, English, and Foreign Airs. James Aird was a contemporary of Burns. He had a little music shop in Glasgow, and he was an indefatigable collector of tunes, he had a lovely ear, and that's a lot of tunes. He died at 45, not long after Burns. But Burns had his books. So Burns was providing lyrics to tunes for the Scots Musical Museum. And there were many tunes that didn't have lyrics at all. So My Love, She's But a Lassie, it was simply the name of the tune. So he took that for his first two lines. He took a floating tune from tradition, which is, we're all dry with drinking o't, we're all dry with drinking of it. The parson or the minister kissed the fiddler's wife, he couldn't have preached for thinking of it. Okay? So he filled in the middle, and it seems to be kind of a rumination on frustrated desire. People impressionistic people chatting at a bar. And my love, she's but a lassie yet, and then seems to find out that she's not so innocent, and then he's saying, go seek for pleasure where you will. Here at the bar I never missed it. Drinking is more reliable than romance. My love, she's but a lassie yet. My love, she's but a lassie yet. We'll let her stand a year at wash and no be half sae saucy yet. I rue the day I sought her, oh, I rue the day I sought her, oh, gets her needs na say he's wooed, but he may say he's bought her, oh. Come draw a drap of the best out yet, come draw a drap of the best out yet, gae seek for pleasure where ye will, but here I never missed it yet. We're all dry with drinking oat, we're all dry with drinking oat, the minister kissed the fiddler's wife, he couldna preach for thinking. So that was printed in the Scots Musical Museum. What year was that, Andrew? Scots Musical Museum number 225 in 1790. So, their musical editor, if you've heard this before, you haven't heard it from Aird's book, which Burns wrote it to, you've heard it from the museum. And their musical editor was a man from Durham, England named Stephen Clark. He was a church organist, and he liked to correct the work of the Scots tunesmiths. So he changed these steps. Instead of my love, she's but he went, my love, she's but a lassie yet, my love, she's but a. So made it a little more conventional. I really dislike his work, and I'm working on a book to restore the tunes as Burns encountered and wrote to them. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed the song and the background. Please do subscribe to my channel.